Alright, so we're going to take our origami cup, the paper cup, we're going to use it to mold and shape a clay cup. So we got a hunk of clay over here, I don't know, half a pound. And we're going to use our paper cup to make a clay cup, ceramic cup, alright? So we're going to take a little bit of clay, we're going to start with the bottom. Ball it up like that and get it into the bottom over here. And now we're going to press and pinch. So we're establishing the bottom of our cup, which is quite important because we want our cup to be able to stand on its own while holding liquid or some other items, maybe food item, pencils. So we got the bottom established. Now we can flatten some clay between our hands, introduce it to the interior of our origami cup, and then press and pinch it to the sides of the paper and also to the bottom that we've established. Okay? So we're going to do that a few times. Some more clay. Flatten it a little bit. And introduce it to the interior. Now the interior folds of the paper and the edges will telegraph to the clay. So once the clay dries and then is fired and then is glazed and fired again, there will be evidence of the form used to make the cup, clay cup. You'll actually see evidence of the paper folds in the final piece. Find some more clay. And this is maybe, I don't know, a 5-minute, 10-minute process after you have your paper cup made. Pinch it in there. Make sure all the clay is incorporated into each other. Almost done here actually. Flatten some more out. Pinch it in there so that it takes the form of that paper. Make sure there are no voids. Make sure it's pinched tightly to the paper. Alright? That's very important. And then go around a little bit more. And don't worry about getting this on your clothes, it washes out. And it'll come off your hands and fingers. Pinch it, let it come over the top. We could trim it, pull some off and put it over here. Fill that gap. Pinch it. Okay. Fold it over and pinch it again. Alright, so we got the top taken care of. Now we can tap it over a little bit. See, the girls made me pretty today. You like that polish? They said, Chagranish, you want some nail polish? I said, what? Come on. Let me paint your nails. Okay. So, here we go. And that's just about done. Smooth it off a little bit inside. Use the tip of your finger. Roll it around. And we're just about done. Try to get the top smooth. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's the other thing. This is a unique piece. It's not only design, it's art. Alright, each one is unique, just like the maker. Individual and unique. Last step, see it's a little wobbly. Just tap it down a little bit on the table to flatten the base out a little bit. And I think we got a molded cup right about there. See? That sits pretty well. Alright? Paper cup will soon become a clay cup. And this is what it'll look like when the clay is dry. Switch that. It goes from a goes to a darker brown, and it becomes lighter because the moisture dissipates. Alright, the clay becomes desiccated and it becomes hard, and then we can actually remove the paper we used to shape this thing. Be careful, you don't want to break the clay because now it's somewhat brittle. And there it is. We could smooth the top a little bit with our thumb. Get some of the jagged, sharp edge off. And you can see some of the paper, evidence of the paper. There's a sharp crease right there. And that's that. Thanks for watching.